Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard on monday.com. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to monday.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in using your credentials. This will take you to your main monday.com workspace where you can access all your boards and features. Now that you're logged in, look over at the left sidebar of your screen. You'll see several navigation options listed vertically. Find the section labeled Workspace and pay attention to what's right beside it. You'll notice a plus icon sitting next to the workspace name. Click on that plus icon, and from the options that appear, select Dashboard. This is where you'll start building your new dashboard from scratch. A new window will pop up asking you to configure your dashboard settings. The first thing you'll need to do is enter your dashboard name in the designated field. Choose a name that clearly describes what this dashboard will track or display, something like Project Overview or Team Performance. This helps you and your team quickly identify the dashboard's purpose when you have multiple dashboards later on. Next, you'll see privacy options appear on the screen. You can choose between main or private depending on who should have access to this dashboard. Main means everyone in your workspace can see it, while private restricts access to only you or specific people you invite. Once you've made your selection, click Create Dashboard. Monday.com will then generate your new dashboard and take you to the editing view where you can start customizing it. Now that your dashboard is created, it's time to connect it to your board so it can actually display data. Look at the top menu of your dashboard and click on Connect Boards. This opens up a list of all the boards available in your workspace. Browse through the list and click on the board you want to connect to this dashboard. You can select multiple boards if needed, depending on what data you want to visualize. Once you've selected your board or boards, click Done to confirm your selection. The dashboard is now linked to those boards and ready to pull data from them. With your boards connected, you can now start adding widgets to display your data. In the top menu, click Add Widget. A menu will appear showing you all the different widget types available. You'll see options like chart, numbers, battery, Gantt, files gallery, apps, and many more. Each widget type serves a different purpose, so select the one that best fits the kind of information you want to display. For example, if you want to show progress metrics, you might choose numbers or battery. If you need to visualize timelines, Gantt would be more appropriate. After adding a widget, you'll want to customize it to show exactly the data you need. Find the widget you just added on your dashboard and look for the three dots menu on the right side of the widget. Click on those three dots and from the dropdown that appears, choose Settings. This opens up the widget configuration panel where you can fine-tune everything. Here you can select source boards or groups, pick specific columns you want the widget to display, and even apply filters to narrow down the data. Take your time adjusting these settings until the widget shows exactly what you need it to show. And that's it. You've successfully created a dashboard on monday.com, connected your boards, and added customized widgets to track your data. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.